Hi everyone, welcome back to Science with Miss Wynn. So today we are going to talk about how we see changes in the Earth's surface, but on a map. So you might be asking yourself, well, what is a map? So a map is a drawing of all parts of the Earth's surface. So it allows you to see what the Earth looks like in one place. So right here we have an example of a map of the United States of America. So it shows you the United States and all the different states. Also shows you Canada at the top and Mexico at the bottom. This is an example of a map of the world. So you can see all the different continents, including Antarctica, on this map. There are three main different types of maps. You have a physical map, which is this one right here. You have a political map, which is this one right here. And you have a thematic map. So a physical map shows you different landforms on the Earth, such as rivers, oceans, and mountains. A political map shows you the different boundaries, or where, in this case, the United States, each state starts and ends. And then a thematic map can show you the population, how much people travel in a year, so it can show you different things like that. So there's a lot of different information we can learn from a map. We can learn about location boundaries, so where one place starts and another place begins. We can learn about features of the land, such as where mountains are, rivers, and lakes. And then we can also learn about the weather over a certain amount of time, the population or how many people are in a certain area over a certain period of time, or how people move from place to place, called transportation, or how they get from one place to another place in an area. So today we're going to be taking a closer look at a physical map. So this is a physical map, and it tells you where lakes, rivers, and oceans are. It also tells you where mountains and hills are, and it uses three main colors: blue, green, and brown. So this is a physical map of the United States of America. You can see that it has the boundary of the United States right here, or where the United States ends and Canada starts. And here, on this little gray line right here, is the boundary of where the United States ends and Mexico starts. So you can see that it has little blue lines all throughout the map. The blue lines are rivers. So anywhere on the map that you see blue, that is a body of water. So over here we have the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, and those, well, the oceans, and then you have the Gulf, which is a smaller body of water that goes into the ocean. And then you also have lakes. And then the little blue lines are all rivers. Then you have green. And green means that there's really no major landforms. It's just trees, it's pretty flat. There's nothing really big going on there. And then here you have the brown. And the brown means that there's big mountains or hills. So it's a bump in the earth. So here you can see that you have the Rocky Mountains, which go all the way from Canada through the United States down to Mexico. So this brown is telling us that there's a mountain or some hills. So you can really get a lot of information from maps. What you're going to do now is you're going to complete the seesaw activity that is asking you what information can you learn from a physical map. So again, this is a physical map, and it shows you information such as bodies of water, mountains and hills, and the different ways that Earth has Earth's features. So, thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!